taslima! Teresa Ruglio isem mhux ġdid fil-qasam tal-moda lokali, kif lura fl-2019 rebħet il-konkors ta' Miss Universe Malta, fejn kienet irrappreżentat il-lokalità ta' Taslima. F'intervista ma' One News tkellmet dwar l-isfidi li qelbet biex tikseb ir-riżultati mixtieqa. Però, bħal sajjetta fil-bnazzi, Teresa kellha sfida diffiċli oħra li bidlitilha ħajjitha.
When I went to the gym and all of a sudden I started to lose consciousness and I got a seizure. When I opened my eyes, they took me to Mater Day, and after that we did the MRIs and we find out that there was a tumor.
I komplit tispjega l-proċess wara l-intervent maġuri li għamlet fejn qaltilna li triq għall-irkupru ma kienet faċli xejn, kif l-ġie kawżala kemm diffikultajiet fiżiċi u anke mentali.
Got numb on my left side of my body and it was even hard to move and to remember who I was and also to remember the people around me.
Minkejja dan kollu Ruglio xorta baqgħet reżiljenti u talmet kif tħares lejn dan l-episodju diffiċli minn perspettiva ta' tama.
I think positivity is something that you need to hold on, otherwise you will sink, and being grateful for what is working, what you still have.
Kif resqin lejn iż-żminijiet ta' festi, tkellimna wkoll ma' Chris Grek li se jkun qed jorganizza ġirja ta' 5 kilometri fl-14 ta' Diċembru li ġej fil-Balluta San Ġiljan bil-għan jinġabru fondi għad-diffikultajiet finanzjarji li ġabet magħha l-esperjenza ta' Ruglio u għal daw kollha b'esperjenzi simili.
On the 14th of December at 9 AM il-Balluta. Nkunu qed niġru mhux għal Teresa biss imma għal dawk in-nies kollha li huma fil-bżonn, nixtieq narakom kollha hemmhekk, issapportawkom jgħod.
Mal-mikrofonu tagħna Teresa temmed din l-intervista b'messaġġ ta' kuraġġ għal dawk li jixtiequ jattendu għal din l-attività.
You can still look at the bright side and of course that will help you a lot. We are passing through this to show up people that you're not alone and we can do this together. Remember, we're not running just for me, we're running for all the people that are passing through a difficult and are having a difficult diagnosis, brain tumor, cancer, and by you showing up, you're gonna support us, and that means a lot.